Friends, the Q1 result season has ended, but who are the best performers? I have been studying and studying and studying and shuffling my portfolio. Of them, one of the items that attracted my attention was KITEX Garments Limited. Now, who is the owner of KITEX Garments? MC Jacob. It is called Anna KITEX Group. So, founder is MC Jacob. Headquarters is in Aluva, Ernakulam. Mainly garments. KITEX, tex means textiles. So, first let us look at the results and then we'll go to the other details. Q1. Net sales for Q1 were 190 crores. Previous quarter 173 crores and year ago quarter 146 crores. 190 crores, previous quarter 173 crores and year ago quarter 146 crores. So year on year growth is 30.6% and quarter on quarter growth also is 10.05%. Now, which are the items which take the maximum expenses? Raw materials. Raw materials in the latest quarter 79 crores, near about half. So, after all those things, profit before tax comes to 36.31 crores in the latest quarter and 29.83 crores in the previous quarter and 10.24 crores in the year ago quarter, which means 255 crores, 255% jump growth year on year and 21.72% jump quarter on quarter. Now, net profit is 26.68 crores, 26.68 crores in the latest quarter, previous quarter 19.74 crores and year ago quarter 7.81 crores and year on year growth in net profit is 242% and quarter on quarter growth is 35.16%. Equity is low at 6.65 rupees. Basic EPS is 4.11. The company is specializing in knitted garments for infants, toddlers, boys and gents. It makes specialized value-added knitted underwear for adults. For children's garments, premature baby to 6 years, all types of garments for the babies. Now, it's part of the Anna KITEX group of company and it is one of the largest employers in private sector in the state of Kerala. We are not compared to the whole of India. In Kerala, it's one of the largest employers in the private sector. CEO is Sabu M. Jacob. So, it has started a new factory in Telangana, still under construction. Probably it will be half finished very shortly and fully finished within 1 year, something like that. So why has it started in Telangana? Probably, I don't know, but it is likely to be bigger than the factory in Kerala. In Kerala, some time ago, maybe 3-4 years ago, it faced some problems from various quarters. So the new factory is scheduled to begin operations in December 2024. Profits are good right at present. That is, the latest quarter profits are 248% higher than the year ago period. So KITEX is improving very well and its future seems to be brighter because the new factory is going to be operational in December. So KITEX Garments employs about 4.95 thousands of people. Now, who are the customers of KITEX Garments? All international, multinational giants like Gerber Toys are used, Jockey, Mother Care, and Corners, like that. And all of them are big players, organized players. Of course, they are sourcing from several people, of whom KITEX Garments also is one. The debt component of KITEX is very low. Something like 0.66. Now, so 3-4 years back, there were too many inspections at the factory of KITEX. Therefore, it has decided to place its new factory in Telangana. So this also is one thing that we have to understand. The new one also will be a very big one. So it has laid the foundation stone for the world's longest garment factory in Telangana, in Sultanpur, Rangareddy district. Some 1.2 kilometers each, something like that. So they feel this 1.2 kilometer long factory will be a Guinness record. The second factory will be over by December 2024. September is one, but it should be over, it should have been over, let us see. The entire campus will be operational in 2025. Debt is reasonably low. Price earning is high, 47.51 something like that times. It is at a premium to the piece. So is it a good buy? Now, if you are a long-term investor, investing for the long term, looking at the expansions going on and the profitability factor, etc., it seems to be a good buy. I am not recommending as such. You have to see. In my case, I will present a lot of facts before you, but you should be the judge. I have told you about the expansion schemes, and that is one of the biggest expansion schemes to be operational shortly, like that. Currently, market price is around 560. 52-week range is, that is highest point is 569, lowest point was 177. Volumes are very good, buying and selling is reasonably simple. Money control feels high about it. So price is moving up. 52-week highs also. Net margins are rising quarterly as well as trailing 12 months basis. Growth in the profit quarter on quarter. Increasing profits every quarter for the last 4 quarters. Book value has been improving. Company with zero promoter spread. Promoter spread is zero, and we have seen even debt is also low. Stock is on an upward march. Weaknesses are ROCE, ROE, and ROA. All are not very satisfactory. Piotrowski score also is rather low. Now, but RSI indicating price strength is good. Now, price earning is high. Debt has to come down further. Now it is in a bullish stage, therefore many people are thinking highly about it. That's what it means. Face value is 1, but EPS etc. is 4+. Shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters holding is 56.66%. FIs have decreased their holding slightly. Institutional investors have also decreased their holdings slightly. Piotrowski score is just 3 and it indicates weak financials, revenue growth, profit. See, earlier, if you compare the years, profit growth was low, revenue growth was low, but these 5 quarters, good. So, but the price is going up reasonably. So, people are bullish about it. There are large deals happening in KITEX. Price performance, if you look at that, in 1 week it has gone up by about 18%, in 1 month by about 38%, in 3 months by 161%, in 1 year by 163%, in 3 years by 231%. So it was a multi-bagger earlier. Will it be a multi-bagger in the current year? I don't know. But it is doing well, it has planned its expansions well. That is all that I can say. Sales improvement year on year was good, quarter on quarter was very good, net profit also is very good, improvement. So these are all plus factors that you need to focus on. And there is huge expansion. But if you look at the annual results, the sales have not been improving well. That's a fact. Last 5 years, the sales have not been increasing, but now it may improve because of the addition to capacity. Now, profits also were not increased during the last 5 years. These last 5 quarters it has been improving. Last 5 years, there is not much improvement. So, what do you feel? You have to take your decisions. Look at the future. Look at the past. Past was not so bright in the last 5 years, but last 5 quarters was good. The expansions are good. Current profit margin is okay. So, based on these things, you take your decisions. Thank you. But I have selected KITEX Garments because in the last 5 quarters it has been good. Thank you. I will come up before you with another very good company.